Hey brother, welcome back to the Happy Man Coaching channel. I'm your Happy Man coach, Charlie McKeever, and today I am hanging out on the golf course with friends. I've traveled all the way from Austin, Texas to Seattle, Washington, just to hang out with men in the community because that's how important it is. I gotta tell you, when a man goes through separation or divorce, he learns that he doesn't have friends. He learns that his friends are the husbands of his wife's friends. And when the relationship breaks up and things get weird, the guys fall silent. They are going to support their wives. They're going to turn their attention to other things, and he's going to find himself alone without any friends, no one to talk to. And the friends that he does have, they don't know what to say to him. They don't know how to help him. They don't know how to coach him. They don't know how to solve his problem because they, frankly, have the same problem. And also, his family doesn't know how to support him. They'll say what they think he wants to hear in order to feel better, but they really don't have the tools in order to be able to be there for him, not in the way that he needs. So that's why it's so very important that we have friends, that we get out and we make the time to make connection with other men, that we actually spend time having real connections, that where no one else is the gatekeeper, no one else is the connection point. It's just us and the other guy. And so that's why I want to invite you into my community over on yourmensgroup.com. This is where we hang out. You can find more information about it at happymancoaching.com. Click on the community tab, and there you'll find all the information you need in order to join the community. In that community, we talk with each other. We talk about what's going on in our life. We talk about separation and divorce. We talk about co-parenting. We talk about dating. We talk about hobbies. We talk about getting out and having a rich, fulfilling life that we can actually share with someone. We talk about deep things, deeper than sports or the weather or traffic or our work. We talk about real life, serious things. We also have a lot of fun. We give each other a hard time. We share our lives with each other. And it's something where we have that connection with each other that when something terrible strikes in our life, we're actually able to be there for each other. We're able to support each other. We're able to sit with each other and say, brother, that sucks, but I'm here. You're not alone. And that's important. We get together every week and we talk about these things on Monday night and Saturday mornings. And in between, we talk about it on the feed. We talk about these things with each other in discussion. And this keeps us connected. It keeps us connected until some point where we can get together on retreats or meetups where we can actually be in each other's presence face to face and spend time with each other. So that's what I'm here doing, spending time with the guys. They're out hitting the balls. I'm driving the cart, playing caddy, and having a great time. So click on that link, go to happymancoaching.com, click on community, and come join us. We would love to have you, brother. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.